Hi, I'm Steve and welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to discuss with you the attributes for making your own poor man's Dutch oven. The features that I believe are important. A poor man's Dutch oven is nothing more than two bread pans, one on top of the other, secured with metal binder clips. The poor man's Dutch oven will trap the steam and develop the crust, just like a Dutch oven. Then you could control the color and hardness of the crust by the amount of time you bake the poor man's Dutch oven with the top off, just like a Dutch oven. Use the Dutch oven when you want a round loaf, and a poor man's Dutch oven when you want sandwich bread. And here are 4 examples: small, medium, large, and long. Small, well, 3 cups of flour may be raisin bread. This is a medium. This is my favorite. But note, all of them have round corners. Just makes it a lot easier to clean. Now the binder clips that I use for this are thicker because the edge is thicker. What's important though, notice how it fits flush, because that'll trap the air better. This one has medium clips, but once again, notice how it has a nice rim on it and it fits nice and flush. After experimenting with a number of the options, these are the pans I use. These pans are 8 inches by 4 inches. They're smaller, well suited for recipes using 3 cups of flour. Sometimes I use them for raisin bread. These pans are 8.5 inches by 4.5 inches, my favorite size. I like the way it shapes my loaves. These pans are 9 inches by 5 inches. They're a little larger. As a result, the loaves will be a little wider, longer, and lower. And if you want to make a long loaf or half loaves, these 12-inch by 4.5-inch pans are an excellent choice. What these pans all have in common is they're metal. Metal heats faster and doesn't require preheating. They have flat rims, more stable and airtight, a lip large enough for the binder clips to grasp, and they're non-stick with rounded corners, which makes them easier to clean. But they aren't the only options. Check your local stores. Look for pans with these attributes and you'll be on your way to baking sandwich bread in a poor man's Dutch oven. This video will be on my website, NoNeedBreadCentral.com, on which I have added a new section dedicated to general information, education, technique, products, history, and more, such as how to use bakeware to shape rolls, the history of no-knead bread, instant yeast versus active dry yeast, etc. This is the beginning, and I will be working on more of these videos over the year. Thanks for watching.